Our 44-foot dome has a floor area of 1,500 square feet or 140 square meters. A 22-foot ceiling height allows this dome to accommodate a loft to extend your square footage. With our heavy-duty steel tubing, this dome weighs approximately 4,300 pounds. On average, it can be assembled in 10 to 18 hours with a crew of 4 people. We can achieve virtually any snow and wind load requirements using a heavier tubing size. Included with your 44-foot dome package is the frame, anchoring hardware, and cover. Each cover comes with 12 removable round windows, 2 ventilation roll-ups with zippers, a panoramic bay window, and your choice of door opening. The covers are made from heavy-duty architectural fabric and can last up to 20 years. Custom features such as skylights, extra doors, windows, and Woodstove Setup are available. Insulative liners and solar fans are optional. It's a perfect choice for add-on living accommodations, Airbnb rentals, retreat centers, and glamping resorts. In Vastu architecture, this dome enhances eloquence and expression as well as abundance and creativity. We offer deck plans for both permanent installations and nomadic lifestyles, and our team is always here to help if you have any questions.